What is going on, everybody? It's been an awesome week here at KeyBar. We got a couple new KeyBars we're about to drop on the website. Check these out. So we got rose gold plated titanium. These things came out awesome. So we got rose gold full plated titanium, the clips plated, and then we got black Ceracoted titanium. Titan, what is you doing? Show that box who's boss. So, black Ceracoted titanium with the rose gold pocket clip. You can also get it with a 24 karat plated clip. So these things are full titanium, blacked out with either rose gold or regular gold clips. Also, we're just putting these up on the website. It's our belt hook. So it'll go on your belt. You can hang stuff from it. Magnets work great. You can put a little piece of paracord through the top or whatever you want. But it's a great hook for your belt. So those are going up on the website. And these are going up on the website in a little while. Titan, I think he's done eating the boxes for now. And what else we got going on? Oh, I guess I should give you a little teaser of this before you go. Grade 5 titanium carbonized blade, titanium liner lock. That rose gold. Woo!